Hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to discuss two things. The first will be intervals greater than an octave, and the second will be the answer to the question that I've gotten from my students, which is, how exactly are chords built? So, let's look at the C major scale and number the intervals greater than the octave. These intervals are called compound intervals. We know that to number the pitches within the octave, we are using the numbers 1 through 8. Let's continue. D is 9, E will be 10, and so on. F 11, G is 12, A is 13, B is 14, and C is 15 or 1, just like 8 is also 1. For our purpose today, I'm going to change a couple things here regarding the numbering. 8 and 15 will just be called 1. We're going to just drop the 8 and 15 and call them 1. So all C's within this major scale will be called 1. I'm also going to do this for 10, 12, and 14. They will be called 3, 5, and 7 respectively. So both E's will be 3, both G's will be 5, and the B's will be 7. This will make more sense when we start building our chords. So, let's look into how to build chords. We are going to look into the process of building chords by building a C chord. First, we will start with the first note of our scale, or 1. This is, of course, C. Then we will skip the next pitch, D, and we will go directly to the third degree of the scale, E. To get the next pitch in our chord, we skip over the fourth degree, F, and we land on the fifth degree, G. Now we have 3 pitches, and that makes a chord. But what kind of chord is this? We know that this is a C chord of some sort, but to find out what kind of C chord, major, minor, etc., we need to see what the interval is from C to E, and then from E to G. If we count the half steps from C to E, we will see that there are 4 half steps. From E to G, there are 3 half steps. 4 half steps is a major third, and 3 half steps is a minor third. A major third followed by a minor third is a major triad, or major chord. So in short, to make a chord, you will need to choose a pitch, and then use every other pitch after that, or every third pitch after the pitch that you've chosen. With that in mind, let's see what happens if we continue this process. We would then move on to the 7th. So that adds the pitch B to our chord. What kind of chord is this now? Well, let's see what the interval is from the C to the B, or from the first scale degree to the 7th. There are 11 half steps. So this interval is a major 7th. A major triad with a major 7th added to it is a major 7th chord, or in our case, C major 7th. Again, we continue in the same way. Now we skip over the C and land on the 9th. Now the 9th has the same quality as the 2nd in this scale, major. So to add a major 9th to the major 7th chord, we will make the chord a major 9th chord. We now have a C major 9th. Now we add the 11th, F. This will make our chord a C major 11th. And finally we add the 13th, or A. And you guessed it, C major 13th is our chord. The 13th is the highest number you're going to see in a chord name. You see, if we add the next pitch, C, then it just repeats the pitches we have already used in our chord. So now let's wipe the slate clean and build triads from the rest of the pitches in the major scale to see what we get. I won't list the numbers above the scale because whichever pitch we begin with will be called 1 for the chord we are building. The other 2 pitches we will add in each triad will be 3 and 5, as follows. First, there's D, then F, then A. What kind of chord is this? D to F is a minor third, and F to A is a major third. This is a D minor triad. A minor third followed by a major third will always be a minor triad, or minor chord. Next we have E, then G, then B. What is this chord? E to G is a minor third, and G to B is a major third. So this is a minor triad, an E minor triad. Minor because, as you can see, it follows the same formula as the D minor triad, minor third followed by a major third. Then we have F, A, C. This is a major third followed by a minor third. This is the same formula as the C major triad, so this is an F major triad. Remember, a major third followed by a minor third is a major triad. Next, we have G, B, and D. This is also a major third followed by a minor third, so this is a G major triad. Now we have A to C to E. A to C is a minor third, and C to E is a major third. So this is a minor triad. Finally, we have the chord starting on B. This one is a little different. We have B to D, and then D to F. B to D is a minor third, and D to F is also a minor third. A minor third followed by a minor third is called a diminished triad. So the types of chords or triads that we have in a major scale are major, minor, and diminished. To summarize, we have in the C major scale the C major triad, D minor triad, E minor triad, F major triad, G major triad, A minor triad, and B diminished triad. If you look at this list, you will see a pattern. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, and diminished. Again, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. You should memorize this pattern as it is true for the major scale regardless of key. If you have any questions or have an idea for a music theory video that you'd like to see, just leave it in the comments section below. Also, if you like these videos, go ahead and click like down there and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.